Here's where you can access the snippets. You will reply to a ticket. You can hover over this little blue star icon and click snippet. You can add them this way. You name it, which is whatever the snippet is about. And I can't type this morning. And then in this box, you would actually type your snippet that you want. Hit save. Oh, it already exists. And here is where I have all of my saved ones. And this is the one that I just created. And it's as easy as that. So you hit snippet, and then they pop up over here. You can add. I can send out the ones that I have saved over here. Anyways, that's it. Let me know if you have questions.